What is intelligence? Intelligence is actually awareness. So once you become more aware about anything, you cannot then behave properly like yesterday and like normal. uh, you cannot behave properly then once you receive that awareness about anything. So you cannot even once you start searching about anything more and more, and then you receive an absolute awareness. Once you receive that absolute awareness, and you cannot remain as the same person like you was yesterday, right? So you behave completely different. Okay. Sometimes it is like you start seeing the things very clearly. Okay. Uh, and once you start seeing those things very clearly, and I can call it that it destroys you. Actually, it is disturbing your mind, right? So because you see everything very clearly, so it is actually disturbing, and it really destroys you. Then I can call it actually intelligence is a curse, because it is making you then alone, right? Because you are seeing everything in a right manner, and you see everything clearly, and and you will become then actually loner. You will completely alone. It is intelligence is actually, that awareness, or you can call it intelligence, is actually separating you from, you can call it from everything. I mean, sometimes it is very nice if you are ignorant about the things, and if you do not know anything, and if you do not have such kind of awareness, because that ignorance is helping you to survive in this universe and in this world. So once you receive, if you start searching more and more, and you become more intelligent, right? You start receiving that absolute awareness. Once you receive that absolute awareness about anything, you cannot then remain the same. It you 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 will completely, I mean, become some other person, different from yesterday, different from even an hour ago, right? So you become completely different person. So that's what I call it, that intelligence is itself an enemy, and intelligence is really a curse actually. If you can call it, I mean, as a curse. And I don't think so that this would not be the proper word for the intelligence, because that awareness really really destroys us. I mean, we become more and more than loner in this world. So that is actually the cost of the intelligence, that you become loner and you become alone. That is how the intelligence actually works. I think that is the cost of intelligence. Intelligence is a very dangerous thing. You cannot then help yourself to convince yourself and then convince your conscious, oh no, I mean, this is not the clarity. Once you receive that absolute awareness, and you see everything very very clear, and it is then very difficult, I mean, to live like yesterday, to live like an hour ago, and you remain as a complete changeable person. You remain as a complete, I mean, unadjustable, I think. So I can say that sometimes ignorance is nice than absolute awareness.